Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make taro bubble. This is bubble and the water boiling right now. I'm going to show you how to cook the bubble for 25 minutes. Okay, when the water boiling, then you go ahead and drop the bubble in. Just like that. I'm going to show you how to make taro bubble. It'll be fun today, okay? If anybody don't know how to make bubble taro, I'm going to show you now. So, okay, let's boil the bubble for 25 minutes first, okay? Let it boil. Okay, the bubble rise up. Now when they rise up like that, let it cook by itself. Okay, independent right now. So cook for 25 minutes. And here come my taro. The dry taro. This is taro here, okay? I'm going to show you how to make taro bubble out of this right here, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the bubble. I'm going to measure the water from here. Yesterday I used 12 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this water. Put it here. When you make the taro bubble, you have to boil it up with water because I need to make the taro powder. Alright. The water boiling right now. Almost done. 10 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make bubble taro. Okay, this is taro powder. I'm gonna go ahead use this scoop, one scoop right here. Okay, this taro guy. So go ahead, put it here in the cup right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1.5 cup. 1.5, okay? Nice. Now, I'm gonna go ahead hot water. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this condensed milk right here. This brand is good brand, okay? Condensed milk 1 spoon. One more spoon. Okay, 2 spoons. Now stir well. Stir well, okay? Very easy. But you need hot water to melting this powder down right here. So easy. Try it. If you want the bubble tea powder, you can go to the Chinese market, go to Thai market, they sell it too. So you can have enjoy at home. To have this one, I'll show you how to make a very good bubble. Drink at home and enjoy at home, okay? Okay, the bubble tea taro ready. I put condensing milk. Smells so yum, okay? Don't put half and half because half and half don't get along in my stomach. I get my stomach upset when I use half and half, guys. So I have to use condensing milk, and they smell so delicious. Look at this, already done. Just wait for bubble boiling. Done already. Okay, just let them be over here. Look at this. Condensing milk right here. You always use over and over. Put in Ziploc bag and put in refrigerator. They can stay for a month, 2 months, whatever you feel it or you don't feel it. Put in refrigerator. They will stay for a long time. Okay. Okay, now bubble boiling. 25 minutes already done. I'm gonna go ahead, cover up for 10 minutes and turn off. Done. Come back another 10 to 15 minutes. Just cover it like that. Make it nice and soft. Okay, my bubble is already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the bubble. Show you how to clean this bubble, guys. Very easy. Okay, pick up like this. Okay, let's put cold water. Okay. the bubble together. Alright, let's go. Okay, the bubble, taro, ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, get this in. Okay, let's go put the bubble in. I love bubble. You got a little bubble, put how much you want, everything is up to you, okay? Just gonna go ahead, get all the bubble in here. Very easy, guys. Go ahead, try it. I love a lot of ice when it comes to my drink. I love a lot of ice. Okay, now ready going down. See that, guys? Very easy. Ooh, look at that. Okay. See that? How good looking, right? I love a lot of ice. So let's close it up. Straw right here. There you have it. Taro bubble. Look yum, right, guys? Taro bubble. You love a lot of bubble? That's what you do. Okay, guys. So go ahead, try to make the way I make. Enjoy taro bubble. Very easy to make. Make it in no time, okay? Just do the way I do, step by step. It's so easy. Okay, enjoy. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe so I can show you more and more, and be nice to each other, be kind to each other, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe. Thai tea done, just finished. I'm gonna go ahead, enjoy this, my Thai tea right here. Cheers. Good Thai tea make at home. So good. In the heaven. Alright. So good, I cannot talk. So delicious. แซ่บหลายมาเด้อไทยทีเป็นไทยทีอยู่บ้านง่ายๆบ่ได้ยาก Thank you guys for watching. If you really love Thai bubble, just go ahead and do it. It's so easy to make and make no time, just like that. It's so good, refresh and taste. They have caffeine too, okay? So good. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Okay guys, bye bye.